Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will find the surface area of a triangular prism. Here we have a triangular prism. A triangular prism has two triangular faces, one on each end. Three rectangular faces, 1, 2, 3. The sides connecting the triangles. Two triangles plus three rectangles equals 5 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The two triangular faces, 1, 2, are equal in area and side lengths. We know the formula to find the area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. We will have to do half times the base times the height 2 times for each triangular face. For this rectangle, we will take the length times the width. For this side rectangle, we will take the length times the height. And for this rectangle, we will also take the length times the height. This shows a possible net for a triangular prism, which helps us come up with the formula. Surface area equals 2 times the area of the triangular base. 1, 2, 2 times, plus the area of all three rectangular sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's find the surface area of this triangular prism. The base of the triangle is 6 inches. The sides are 5 inches and 5 inches, and the height is 4 inches. And here we have the length of 9 inches. Remember, the formula for area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. We have a base of 6 inches and a height of 4 inches. Half times 6 times 4. We know that 6 times 4 is 24. Half times 24. That makes 12 inches squared. If the area of this triangular face is 12 inches squared, we know this triangular face also has an area of 12 inches squared. Now let's find the area of this rectangle. Let's take the length times the height. We notice the length is 9 inches and the height is 5 inches. We know that 9 times 5 is 45 inches squared. Now let's find the area of this rectangle. Let's take the length times the width. 6 times 9, or 9 times 6. Which is 54 inches squared. Lastly, let's find the area of this rectangle. We have the length times the height. 5 inches times 9. 9 times 5 is 45 inches squared. Let's add. We have 12 plus 12 plus 45 plus 45 plus 54. We know 12 plus 12 is 24. We know 45 plus 45 is 90, and we still have 54. We know that 90 plus 54 is 144, plus 24 is 168. We can say the surface area of the triangular prism is 168 inches squared. Let's find the surface area of this triangular prism. The base of this triangle is 6 inches, the sides are 8 inches, and the height is 7 inches, with a length of 10 inches. Let's start with the triangular faces. We know area equals half times the base times the height. We can say half of the base, so 6 times the height is 7. So half times 6 times 7. We know 6 times 7 is 42 times half, and we know half of 42 is 21. So we can say 21 inches squared, which means this triangular face also has an area of 21 inches squared. Now let's find the area of this rectangular side. We have 10 times 8. That means the area is 80 inches squared. Now let's find the area of this rectangle. 6 times 10, or 10 times 6, which is 60 inches squared. Lastly, we know this opposite side is 10 times 8, which is 80 inches squared. Now let's combine. 21 plus 21 plus 80 plus 80 plus 60. We know 21 plus 21 is 42. We know 80 plus 80 is 160 plus 60. We know 160 plus 60 is 220 plus 42 is 262. We can say the surface area of the triangular prism is 262 inches squared. Let's quickly find the surface area of this triangular prism. We know the area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. For times 3 is 12, and half of 12 is 6. 6 centimeters squared, which means this triangular face is 6 centimeters squared. Now let's find the area of this rectangle. We have the length times the height, 15 times 5. We know that's 75 centimeters squared. Now let's find the area of this rectangle. We have 5 times 15, which is 75 centimeters squared. Lastly, let's find the area of this rectangle. We have 15 times 4. 15 times 4 is 60 centimeters squared. Let's combine. We know 75 plus 75 is 150, plus 60 is 210, plus 12 is 222. We can say the surface area of this triangular prism is 222 centimeters squared. Now it's your turn to find the surface area of this triangular prism.